Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be messing about with the Corsa. We've got to replace the door, driver's side wing, and we've got to have a look at fixing the bumper as well as giving it a service. Come along and let's get cracking. So we're going to tackle the oil change first. I think we've done one on this before. Been a while though. Oil filter, are you underneath?
I think it might be new. I don't know what phone it has.
Yeah, it's probably underneath. Jack it up. So I found the oil filter there. I'll circle it in the edit. So just going to take that out, take the oil cap and the dipstick out, and then drop the oil. Tyler's going to do it for us.
Is he?
Is he?
Check. No milky residue on there, which looks like shit.
So we've got them out now so that the oil will drain freely, and we'll get a socket on there and get him off too.
Ugh. Why is it all twisted?
That's what happens, isn't it?
Oh, that's rancid, that's shagged, isn't it?
So, old filter's out, 24mm socket in the end. It looks absolutely rancid. New filter, new O-ring, we'll chuck them on. Tyler's just getting a flat blade screwdriver, and then I'm just going to chuck a bit of oil on there so it's not dry. You all know how to service a car.
Yeah. Oh.
Is that Owen?
It bloody well sounds like it, isn't it? Can't see him. He's on.
There we go.
Yes.
Seals on. Whack the new filter in. Chuck it back in. Tight. Right, sun plug.
Maybe a bit bigger?
No, it's in there. You just need to give it a good whack.
Let's hold on to something. Oh, shite. I'll pull it towards me. What the fuck?
Did it? Yeah, you got it loose.
Jen. I thought I fucked it then. Do my hand. Oh, is it going to be boiling hot?
Well, it'll be warm.
What, it's not going to burn me, is it?
No, be right. So put pressure on the plug. So like unscrew it but push upwards.
Yeah, I am. I don't want to fucking burn myself, that's what I'm worried about. It feels quite hot, to be honest.
Yeah, it will be warm. You won't burn yourself. Just don't drop the plug, whatever you do, because then you'll have to fish it out.
If it's scalding, I'm going to drop it. Job's good, eh?
Smooth.
Quite smooth, criminal.
Nice.
Yeah, look at that.
So we've got the last few drips now. So Tyler's going to go under, put some plug back in, and we'll give her a wipe, you dirty bitch. Don't drop it.
I know, fucking. There we are. Has this not got a seal on it?
No, I did look for one, but it's not there.
Oh well, let's do it right.
Probably why it was fucking hard to get off. Maybe it's meant to have a copper washer. Probably.
Well, it's not my car anymore. Don't tell them.
Hi Emily.
I'll show her the old oil and the new oil. She'll be like, oh, thank you. Is it on right tight?
Now it is.
Yeah. How tight?
Tight. To spec.
Yeah. That tight enough?
A bit tighter.
Yeah. It's not going anywhere. You think, anyway? I hope it's not going anywhere. Because that'll be shit. Stop. Yeah, it's really tight. That'll do.
Spot on! So that's the oil that's come out. Not very, very black. So, good job you changed it. Well done, Tyler. You've done a sterling job.
What the Jack?
Right then, new oil time. Yeah, this is a very big funnel, isn't it?
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. We're waiting for an invite. It's 11.
Why is it not getting through?
There's-
Can you
there's
take
a-
that filter out?
There is a filter in there, let me take it out.
Oh yeah, it's small as well. Do you want it?
Yeah. It's weird, it goes right onto the can. There's not much room for it to like sink down.
Yeah. Where we at? Right. Half a litre to go. Bang on, see where that's at now.
The car is on slant, so
Yeah.
you won't get an accurate reading, really.
Should be alright, shouldn't it? Should we put it down or?
I think we're probably going to be best off leaving it up.
Yeah.
So that.
It beats more on the bottom one. Oh?
Yeah. It'll be alright once it's level, that one.
Yeah.
We'll check it again once.
Yeah, we can always top it up, can't we? Nice one.
Mechanics.
Job's good, then.
So that's it for this video. There is some more bits that we filmed which you'll see in the coming weeks. So in 2 weeks today you'll see one, and then 2 weeks after that you'll see one. We recorded for a good few hours. So this was the first bit. We did the service, we did the door and the wing, and then we fixed the bumper. So in the next video I'll show you the bumper being repaired, and then in the last video I'll show you the door and the wing being replaced. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Obviously it was nothing sort of high level or you know, anything like that, but it was just me and Tyler, two mates, working on cars and having fun, and that's what I plan to bring you for the rest of this year. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Share it with all your mates and follow me on all the social medias. It's down in the description. And yeah, look forward to seeing you sometime soon. Take care.